located along a line extending from near Longtown to 10 miles southwest of Red Bank. Moving.
Alright, so another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, South Central Lancaster County in central South Carolina, Lee County in central South Carolina, Central Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, Northern Sumter County in central South Carolina, Northeastern Richland County in central South Carolina, Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Westville to Sesquicentennial State Park, moving east at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Forest Acres, Camden, Shaw, Bishopville, Deadsville, Shire Bays, Lake Wateree Dam, Kershaw, Arcadia Lakes, Lugoff, Oakland, Mulberry, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, South Carolina State Fairgrounds, Fort Jackson, 5 Points, and Westville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 73 and 126. Interstate 77 between mile markers 9 and 19. Interstate 95 between mile markers 138 and 146. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.